errors. Many errors. Instrumental error, personal error, systematic errors. We will do some main errors. Delta x x minus x1, absolute error, x true value, minus observed value. This is absolute error. Difference between true value and observed value. Relative error. It is delta x by x. Delta x was absolute error. X true value. Percentage error. Delta x by x into 100. Absolute error, true value minus observed value. Relative error, delta x by x. Absolute error by true value. Percentage error, relative error into 100. Question. Refractive index of glass is measured as 1.5 to 1.56, 1.53, 1.54, 1.55. Find number 1 absolute error. Number 2 relative error. Third, percentage error. Refractive index of glass is measured. These are the values. Find absolute error, relative error, percentage error. What is absolute error? True value minus observed value. True value. So that is mu. It is mu1 plus mu2 plus mu3 plus mu4 plus mu5 by 5. it is 1.5 to 1.56, 1.53, 1.54, 1.55 by 5, 5, 9, 12, 18, 20, 7, 12, 17, 22, 27, 2, 7, 5. This is what? True value. Absolute error. In first observed value, that is delta mu 1, true value minus first observed value, delta mu 2 means absolute error in second observed value, 1.54, 1.56 minus 0.02, delta mu 3, 1.54 minus 1.53, 0.1, delta mu 4, 1.54 minus 1.54, it is 0, delta mu 5, 1.54, 1.55, it is minus 0.01. This is absolute error in first observed value, second observed value, third, fourth. Absolute error. That is delta mu. At all. ये कैंसल नहीं करोगे. Whether the error is positive, whether the error is negative, error is error. So the delta mu will be 0 to 0 to 0 1 0 1 plus 0 by 5. So it is what? 0.6 by 5, or it is 0.06. So this is what? Absolute error. Second, relative error, delta mu by mu, is 12 by percentage error into 100 by so this is what find absolute error from a given relative and percentage error. Combination of errors A when the result involves some x a plus b x result a first observed value b second observed value this is the result. It involves sum. So there are two observations. One is A, other is B. First observed value, first observation. What we have to do? We have to find relative, absolute, percentage, like this error in result. So x a plus b x plus minus delta x a plus minus delta a plus b plus minus delta b where delta x absolute error in result delta a absolute error in first observed value delta b second observed value. Now solve this. X plus minus delta x. Open these brackets. It is a plus b plus minus delta a delta b x plus minus delta x. A plus b, from first it is x, plus minus delta a plus delta b, from first x goes with this x, so plus minus delta x is what? Plus minus delta a delta b, or delta x is delta a delta b. So what is the question? Find absolute error in result when result involves sum of two observed values, two observed quantities, two observations, and the absolute error is this. Suppose a relative, then divide it by x, and this is what? X. So this is what find absolute error in result when result involves sum. B. Result involves difference x a minus b. What is x? It is result. What is a? First observed value. What is b? Second observed value. Then x plus minus delta x will be what? A plus minus delta a minus b plus minus delta b. X plus minus delta x, a plus minus delta a, open the bracket, minus b, minus multiply with this, plus minus, so this will be what? Plus minus delta b. Open the bracket, minus b, right? Multiply this minus with this, minus with minus, plus, minus with plus, minus. So again this is plus minus. So x plus minus delta x is a minus b plus minus common delta a delta b. X plus minus delta x, a minus b is what? It is x. This is first. It is x plus minus delta a delta b. X goes with x, so delta x is what? Plus minus delta a delta b, or delta x delta a plus delta b. Again, whether the result involves sum, then absolute error is same as of result involves difference. What we are doing? Combination of errors. See, result involves multiplication x a into b. What is x? It is a result. What is a? First observed value. What is b? Second observed value. What will you do? What you have to do? You have to find relative error, absolute error, percentage error, etc. Similar questions. Now x was a into b. This was first observation, this was second observation. एक एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं आप, आपने उसकी 2 रीडिंग ली, 3 ली, जितनी भी ली, तो जो रिजल्ट है वो उनकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, मान लिया। क्या है? जैसे साइड्स दे रखी हैं रेक्टेंगल की 10 and 5, तो क्या है? एरिया, मल्टीप्लिकेशन। व्हेन रिजल्ट इन्वॉल्व्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन, then find what? Absolute error, relative error. This is your question. X plus minus delta x. Delta x is absolute error in result. A plus minus delta a. Delta a is what? Absolute error in first observed value. B plus minus delta b. X plus minus delta x. A common 1 plus minus delta a by a. B common 1 plus minus delta b by b. It is AB. Now multiply them. 1 with 1. 1. 1 with this. Plus minus delta b by b. Now this with this. Plus minus delta a by a. Now this with this. Plus minus delta a by a, delta b by b. Again listen, AB. Now multiply this with this. 1 one with this with this with this. AB 1 plus minus delta A by A plus minus delta B by B, neglecting delta A by A, delta B by B as very small. X plus minus delta X. This AB is also X. What is AB? It is X. One plus minus delta A by A plus minus delta B by B. X plus minus delta X. It is X. Open this bracket also. Plus minus common. X delta A by A plus delta B by B. Cancel this with this. Plus minus delta X is X plus minus X delta A by A delta B by B. X goes with this X. So plus minus delta X is what? X plus minus delta A by A plus delta B by B plus minus delta X by X. Take X this side. Plus minus delta A by A delta B by B. Delta X by X delta A by A delta B by B. What is this? Derive expression for relative error in result when result involves product of two observed values. Suppose we have to find absolute error, then take X to this side. If we want to find percentage error, then 100 into 100. So what is relative error in result? Relative error in first observed value, relative error in second observed value. When result involves division of two observed values, X A by B, where what is X? X is result. What is A? First observed value. What is B? Second observed value. x solution x a by b. First. Now x plus minus delta x. This is what absolute error in result. A plus minus delta a. Absolute error in first observed value. B plus minus delta b. X plus minus delta x. A common. 1 plus minus delta a by a. B common. 1 plus minus delta b by b. X plus minus delta x. A by b. 1 plus minus delta a by a. ले जाओ इसको ऊपर ले जाओ. 1 प्लस माइनस डेल्टा बी बाई बी पावर -1. x plus minus delta x a by b 1 plus minus delta a by a. Apply binomial theorem. When this is 1, this is small, the power will be multiplied here. Binomial theorem. If this is 1, this is a small quantity, then the power will be multiplied here. So 1 multiply minus here with this. So again plus minus delta b by b. So this is x plus minus delta x. AB is what? X. Open this bracket now. 1 delta a by a. Multiply 1 with this. Now multiply this with this. Delta b by b plus minus delta a by a delta b by b. Neglect this. X plus minus delta x is equal to x. 1 plus minus delta a by a plus minus delta b by b. Neglecting delta a by a into delta b by b as very small. So x plus minus delta x, x plus minus outside, x delta a by a delta b by b. X goes with this x plus minus delta x by x. X goes with this x, take x this side. Delta x by x is equal to plus minus delta a by a plus delta b by b. Or delta x by x is delta a by a plus delta b by b. Again, same result as was of multiplication, a into b. The result was same, the relative error is this. Suppose we have to find absolute error, then multiply x here. Suppose we want to find percentage error, then multiply with 100 on both sides. Sum or difference, result was same. Division or multiplication, result is same. So, what is the result? Right. X, delta x by x is delta a by a, delta b by b. Means take power to this side. 1, power 1, a 1 है, power यहाँ ले लीजिए delta a by a. Power side में delta b by b. What I want to say is E x al bm cn to delta x by x l delta a by a m delta b by b n delta c by c. सेम यहां क्या किया होगा हमने, पावर साइड में लीजिए, डेल्टा ए बाई ए पावर साइड में लीजिए, वही किया है. Large number of quantities are there, then the relative error in result will be कहां से किया हमने, सिमिलरली इन्हीं बेसिस ये अप्लाई करके. For numerical, remember x a plus b, x a minus b, delta x delta a plus delta b. When result is sum or difference, we have solved that the absolute error was sum of two absolute errors, whether the result is sum or difference. X a by b, x a into b, delta x by x, delta a by a plus delta b by b. Whether it is division, whether it is multiplication, the relative error is same. X al bm cn c minus n plus n, whatever it may be. So delta x by x is l delta a by a. ये इसी बेस पर ये क्या है, पावर 1 पावर क्या है यहाँ एल, एल डेल्टा ए बाई ए एम डेल्टा बी बाई बी प्लस एन minus, if there is minus, even then there is what? Plus delta C by C. So whether it is, suppose यहाँ C minus n लिख देते ऊपर, तो माइनस थोड़ा ही लिखते, सब क्या होगा प्लस, चाहे डिवीजन है मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, राइट? So you have to remember these things for numericals. Now questions. Radius of sphere is 7 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. Find surface area within error limits. What is given are 7 centimeter, delta R 0.1 centimeter. What you have to find? Surface area within error limits. This is your numerical. S 4 pi r square, 4 is 4 pi r square. It is 28, 22, centimeter square. Now delta S. S was what? 4 pi r square. ये सम नहीं, डिफरेंस नहीं, मल्टीप्लीकेशन भी नजर नहीं आ रही, ये रियल नंबर है, ये तो कोई एरर नहीं है यहाँ, कोई नो एरर, इट इज स्क्वायर. सो दिस वन डेल्टा एस बाई एस, रियल नंबर, नो एरर, इट इज 2 delta R by R. What I need? Delta S. Delta S is 2 delta R by R into S. Delta S 2 delta R 0.1 by R 7 into S 616. It is 88. Now a point is there, 8.8. What? Centimeter square. So S plus minus delta S is what? So for numericals, remember these things. Sum, difference, result same. Division. multiplication result will be same.